Myntri ka sarkar jila ba noyalam keseng NPP ra khamsang ma ula Kubur ba ka Jingïakhun ha kane ka election hatura parliamentary constituency pat ka Shillong parliamentary seat.
This time is very interesting election we have experienced. Unexpected. We have had a very tough fight, unexpected tough fight in Karagas as well as in Shillong. So, but however, with a God's grace, we are expecting that with a very small margin, NPP looks like we will send back Madam to Delhi. All the TMC's voters has supported Congress candidate for the reason best known to them. I don't know why TMC has given up fight. So like this opposition parties voters, like especially TMC voters, went back to vote for Congress for the reason best known to them. So this was one of the reasons. But however, there's a multiple issue was there, and especially the main wrong, misleading propaganda using the religious sentiment is something that has been very seriously the matter of concern. So even the church has been carried out. Some people, but I don't think so. But however, there are some church people has been carried out with the propaganda being speak in the election time. But I don't think so. The sound doctrine church leaders, sound doctrine Christian believer will not go with that, with all these things happening, because they will go what the scripture says. There are many misleading, misinformation propaganda has been carried out against certain parties, certain individual. So forgetting the sound doctrines the church should have. So this is something the matter of concern. BJP did not put up the candidate for Shillong and for Tura. Suppose in Tura, in last MLA election, BJP got 90,000 votes in last MLA election. If they support, 90,000 voters should have gone to NPP. Would have been a blessing. But I don't know whether that will happen or not. So rather, BJP did not put a candidate for the best reason to them. NPP did not seek the support. But BJP did not put up the candidate. Why? In the MLA election, Honorable Prime Minister came to Tura. Honorable Home Minister Amit Shahji came to Tura. They campaigned for the candidate, but nothing happened. There is no impact. Knowing of all this, the BJP might have decided why we spend our resources, our time unnecessarily. Well, we're going to defeat them, but they have not put up the candidate. Therefore, but they said they have directed their cadre, their voters to vote for NPP. But I don't know whether they have voted or not. If BJP voters voted for NPP, we may be winning easily. But I don't know whether that is converted or not. But I don't know whether they have been supported in spirit, in letter and spirit or not. So, but however, the opposition took the advantage to mislead, to misinform, mispropaganda people about the things taking this. But this is something which is not correct, not a good sign in the future.